just by chatting up lonely people, and you can make up to $200 per week depending on how busy on how you set up your time to work on the site at least 4 to 8 hours daily, and you can make huge sum of money, $200 weekly. And guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejwajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of these contents, please kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates. Anytime I post a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. And without wasting much time, first head on to Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Me, I use Google Chrome, so I'll search the app Chrome browser and I'll open my Google Chrome. So this is my Chrome interface and everything I need to know about Chrome as my browser. So I will just put in this keyword as you can see on the screen. Remotely for you. That is the name of the keyword, and you understand, you allow it to search remotely for you. That is the name of the site, and it will open directly as you can see here on the screen. This is remotely for you, and it says become a chat operator and work from anywhere, just as I have said in the introduction. Now you can work from anywhere at home, anywhere of your choice. You can work even in your workplace. If you are doing external works, you understand, you can just take it to your school and work from anywhere. The flexibility is what I love mostly from this site, and you will make a huge amount of money. It says, do you like to write and are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. Apply today for a job as a moderator for an online fantasy network. With this, what I've just said now, online fantasy, I know you are stirring something in your heart because you are supposed to know what fantasy is all about. You understand? So it says you sign up as a fantasy writer and you message people online. You just message them, you be writing stuff for them, you keep them company. You know, Americans, some of them are very lonely, so you just be writing for them, keep them busy, and you will be paid at the end of the week. It sounds great, right? And it says apply. So this is how to start the application process. This is the first phase of the application process. The first is they will ask you your first name, your last name, your email, and your motivation. This motivation can be seen as what inspire you to come to this website. You can just see you're on this website to keep lonely people busy, keep them engaged, to chat up with them and make them happy. You get the point? So that is what you can just say in your motivation. At least 150 words is just enough. You don't need to write much. So after you are through with your motivation, you can click here. As you can see that I have clicked. I have filled out this field. You understand? You click that you have agreed and stuff like that. So this is it. It's just 3 steps for you to start working on this website. That is the first step I have told you. Is the first step. It says your name and your email and your motivation. Then they will send you a confirmation mail for you to verify that it is really you. You understand, that is using that email, like you're not faking it or you're not a robot. And there will be an ID verification. There will be an ID verification to verify whether you are actually 18 years of old. As you can see, it says you must be over 18 years of age to be accepted and to receive payment. You are required by law to conduct a simple ID verification, so that they don't want any underage, since they are saying fantasy network, so there's no underage that is needed here on this site. And there's also an online training where you will be trained. If you want to work on this site, you'll be trained on how you can chat with people. You don't just go to the site and start chatting anyhow with anybody. You understand? You will be trained by experts on how you can chat or with people on this site, and you start making your money. So what will you be chatting about? I will tell you what you'll be chatting about. You will be helping a lot of thousands of our lonely Americans to have a meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. That means you are anonymous and your identity is being hidden. It says your job is just to answer them and make conversations. You understand? you will discuss everything concerning sport. You discuss motor racing, cars, dream, aspiration, and everything in life. As a chat agent, you are 100% anonymous. You only write text, no voice, no video call. You work independently and with full flexibility. Just like I've said, that you can work from anywhere, at school, at home, in church, anywhere you can work on the side. It says earn more depending on how often you work. That means how you set out your time to work. Just like I say, 4 to 8 hours daily. You can just put it in on this side to make this little box. You understand? So it says, what is the salary? As a chat operator, your salary is not fixed. Your salary is not fixed. I've said this so many times. This is because you can choose. Some people can work up to 10 hours. You can compare your salary that works 4 hours daily with someone that works up to 10 hours. So that is it. It says that it is hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but a skilled agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn up to $200 and $500 weekly. Some of their top agents even make up to $3,000. So that is how it is. And if you want to apply, you can just click on this apply here, and you apply on this site and start working. It says you decide your own salary, retrieve plenty of bonuses, and get paid weekly. That means there are a lot of bonuses when you work on this site. And please, you must be up to 18 years old before you can sign up on this site. You get the point? So they are just repeating everything to make you know what you need to know. So you just have to go to this site remotely for you, once again on the screen, and you apply to become a chat operator on an online fantasy network. As you can see here, filling this first process, agree, you send your application, and another phase will be open for you to upload your ID, and the third phase will be for you to be trained by online personnel. So guys, if you find this video helpful, and I know you want to open, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Thank you.